Hello, my name is Randy Graber, former owner of Open Range RV. I'm currently Senior Director of Product Development for Highland Ridge RV, home of the Open Range products. You're about to go on a factory tour to see our product built from the start to the finish. You will see what sets us apart from the rest of the industry, why we have continuous improvement in our product, and why we have more room and less weight. Enjoy the factory tour.
More room and less weight begin with the aluminum substructure used on our products. The utilization of 1.5-inch thick aluminum tubing stuffed with a lightweight wood ensures screw retention strength while still saving weight. To further add to the strength and durability of our substructures, all joints are double welded. Maintaining consistency is also an important aspect of the construction of substructures. A pattern is used to ensure our substructures maintain that consistency. During development, our units are tested in a 0-degree chamber for 5 hours to ensure they can withstand the harsh environment. The way that our products are insulated complements our heating system and allows the best possible results. Using block foam prevents sweating and condensation. It also keeps the ducts in place. All laminated structures are stuffed with foam insulation prior to lamination. Our products have a unique benefit, an incredible heating system. We start with a 4-inch duct from the furnace down to the underbelly, in place of a 2-inch duct that some of the competitors use. How do we get the airflow? Simply by having the return air circulating back into the coach. The secret is, by simply placing the return in the underbelly, it allows the air to circulate rather than pressurize, as seen in the competition. A hot melt glue machine is used to apply the glue to layers of the laminated structure. Our lamination department is kept at a constant temperature with monitored humidity levels in a climate-controlled environment to maintain consistent quality. Next, all pieces are compressed by a pinch roll machine. And all laminated structures are allowed to cure for 24 hours. This allows the glue to create the strongest bond possible and helps reduce the risk of delamination in the future. A full-time engineer performs daily laminate strength tests to ensure dependable bonding. After curing for 24 hours, our laminated structures move on to have their openings routed out. Almost all cutouts during the routing process are recycled and used for other parts during the production process. All of our products use a steel powder-coated frame with solid I-beam. Not only is rotomold material stronger, it's also impact resistant, which is more durable than the industry standard. Our water tanks are yet another area we strive for better quality and durability. Not only is rotomold material stronger, the spin weld fittings are superior in quality and durability. We utilize laminated flooring beginning with a layer of tear-resistant material. All laminated floors have a layer of Luan, aluminum frame, block foam, and double insulation Luan. Face frames are pocket drilled and screwed rather than stapled and glued, providing strength and durability. All cabinet doors have mortise and tenon joints for true craftsmanship quality. And all of our drawers have 100-pound rated roller ball bearing draw guides. Atwood heater design maximizes its surface area by winding throughout the inside of the water heater tank. In addition, the Atwood hot water heater does not use an anode rod, which corrodes and frequently needs replacing. The result is a water heater tested over 80% efficient that recovers more gallons of hot water per hour than the competition with less gas. Atwood Next Generation High Performance Furnace has a tubular design heating exchanger that maximizes air distribution. Air flows through the chambers more smoothly for even air distribution. Smoother airflow through the heat exchanger reduces hot and cold spots, as well as reduced air turbulence for a noticeably quiet operation. We offer the quietest and most efficient residential 15K BTU return air conditioner in the industry. Extreme Ply is a flexible and durable PVC roofing membrane designed to meet the unique challenges of an RV roof. The Extreme Ply PVC roof is 20% more tear resistant and 2 times the puncture strength than TPO roofs. Another benefit of the Extreme Ply PVC roof is that it requires no maintenance. It will not chalk, streak, or spot. Best of all, no special cleaners are required. Having the industry's strongest roof also gives you the peace of mind with the industry's best warranty. We utilize a PVC foam seal for our windows. This seal has all the benefits and none of the disadvantages provided by butyl tape. butyl tape can begin to squeeze out and require resealing. The PVC foam seal is designed to be easily applied and works great around radius corners. Every unit is checked for air and water leakage with SealTech's pressurized air system. We offer the deepest slide outs in the industry with less maintenance. At Highland Ridge, we are always pursuing perfection through innovation and quality. Our continuous improvement process starts with you. Your RV experiences drive the evolution of our product forward in a constant state of improvement. From the product managers to the cabinet installers, communication fosters understanding that leads to a better product. Expectations through quality control set a baseline for quality, standards, and accountability to ensure we meet our expectations. Leaders help their team discover and reach their full potential. For example, new employees work beside veterans to ensure consistent, high-quality results. With thorough system documentation, we're able to set the benchmarks for our measurement of improvement. Processes are also used daily to improve our production.
I hope you have enjoyed the factory tour. You can see now what separates us from the rest of the industry with our unique features, processes, and seal systems. I encourage you to visit your local Highland Ridge RV dealer. Thank you very much. Only outdoors with Highland Ridge RV.